guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Gracie's Hot Stuff. So today we are going to review a Buddhist bracelet. Thank you for collaborating with me, Buddhist Bracelet, and I'm going to show you guys. Wow, I'm really impressed. Look how gorgeous this is. You guys can see this is amazing craftsmanship. For me, the box represents its product, but by the look of it, guys, look at that. It's so beautiful. And I chose the ivory. Look how beautiful this is. Okay, I will also put the video right here for the close-up look. This is made of high quality wood. This is ivory wood. Let me wear it for you guys. So this is how it looks like. It fits perfectly. It's not too loose and it's not too tight. So it has like enough space for my wrist. And it's very comfortable and I love it. I really love it. I love the color. I love the quality. And it comes with this little stretchy string inside. It's doubled, so it's really sturdy and strong. And I love it. I really love it. And I'm gonna keep wearing this every day. So by the way, they have different options to choose from. Depends on your personal option or personal choice. I'm gonna put the picture right here. They have agates. They have aloes wood. They have bloodwood. They have ebony, which is the one I picked. This is ebony. Look how gorgeous that is. They have gold sandalwood. They have ivory wood, militia, kuruti wood. They have red sandalwood, rosewood. They have royal silk wood. They have rudraksha wood, sandalwood, and taxus wood. So you have options to choose from. They comes in different color, high quality, handmade wood. It was blessed by a monk. If you want more information about how to get this product, I will put the link down below, and I will also put some coupon codes that you can guys use to purchase this product. And thank you very much, Buddhist Bracelet, for inviting me to review this product. I'm really impressed, and it's really nice and it's good quality bracelet. Again, thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share. You can also follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I do have a website. I'm going to put it on this side, gracieshotstuff.com. You can check that out. I have 2 more channels that you can check or subscribe. And I really appreciate your time watching my video. So please go ahead and check out my description box. Go ahead and check out this product. And I'll see you guys on my next vlog.